investment.
Absolute terms.
He made, like SoftBank made $100 billion out.
Mark to market. अभी बेची नहीं है, but the mark to market gain है 100 billion. Alibaba, 20 billion invest किया. Alibaba is like Amazon of China.
Yeah.
20 million invested. His total game बेच दिया, सब बेच दिया, is $72 billion.
Then what happened in Vision Fund? Vision Fund था क्या?
So Vision Fund was largest technology fund ever, 100 billion, right? And the issue with that amount of money, so in a Vision Fund raise किया 2017 में, so उस समय 2016, total size of venture investment in the US was 67 billion.
67 billion.
Okay. Right? Okay. So ये आपका background है. So on top of that, with that as background, आप raise कर रहे हो 100 billion. So obvious point. Size.
Huge, yeah.
His vision was AI, but this is the issue with being a futurist. Sometimes you can be ahead of your time. अगर अभी vision fund के लिए, अब बनाते vision fund 100 billion, then things maybe would be a little bit different. But at the time, इतना पैसा to put it to work productively is very, very difficult. And that's when Nezi himself admits he made investments. We work. इससे काफ़ी इसकी मूवी भी बना दी, किताबें भी लिखे हैं. It's quite a story. That's when things went wrong a little bit.
क्या गलत हुआ WeWork में? Because अगर आइडिया सिंपल है, इनसाइट सिंपल है, and I've been to WeWork, जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम गया था, I was shocked. I was like, ऐसा ऑफिस भी हो सकता है क्या? Like इंडिया में मैं गया था फर्स्ट टाइम, so I was amazed by it. और I was like that अगर मेरी कंपनी अच्छा करेगी तो मैं थोड़े पैसे ज़्यादा लूँगा, लेकिन यहीं
पे
मतलब क्योंकि सेंस नहीं था, but like I was awed by it.
Idea is good because you are the perfect target market. आप जैसे आपकी generation और आपका जैसा business भी, कि आपको you don't need manufacturing plant, nothing. You need a place where
and I don't need 200-300 people, so it's like a small
and you need an environment where आपके have only spent like 15-20 minutes आपके ऑफिस में, ये सब लोग खुश हैं. It's an environment where you can play, आप पिंग पोंग खेल सकते हैं, थोड़ा putt golf, जो भी करना है ना, that's a good environment. That's what people want, and that was a lot of Adam's insight. Create that, and this is what people want. What went wrong? It's straightforward. One, एक तो valuation की बात है कि real estate company है, technology company है. Technology company में आप like Microsoft Office, आप एक बार एक software piece of software आप बनाओ तो उसको बेच सकते हो पूरी दुनिया में. आपको कोई प्लेटफॉर्म है जैसे Google, Facebook, आपने एक बार अपना प्लेटफॉर्म बना दिया, then it scales. So you can use revenue multiples, your valuation, you can value that. That's why technology companies are so highly valued. कि आपको कोई no need to spend a lot more money. It's not like manufacturing. कोई और capital expenditure these are very capital efficient models, platform models. We work in a real estate business and it has to be valued like a real estate business. Technology business नहीं है. ये problem थी और दूसरी problem थी कि इतना पैसा इनको मिल गया बहुत जल्दी. So they grew too fast. And then of course the killer blow was COVID came along. And that exposed the other weakness कि आपके जो leases हैं, office leases हैं, ये बहुत long term है. आपके tenants हैं, आपका जैसा business है, new business है, तो आप you don't want to take risk. तो आपके जो leases होंगी, आपकी leases short term होगी. उसकी leases, WeWork की leases बहुत long term होगी. ये mismatch हो गया. So जब भी downturn होता है, ultimate downturn था COVID. When business just stopped. That becomes really problematic too. So that's the other problem there.
So that this gap actually killed them?
Asset liability mismatch, and then that combined with too much money, too much growth, way ahead of demand.
Would you talk about Adam Newman? Do you think he was sahi tha, everything, or did he get too greedy? Because that's that's the book that you're writing.
Well, not really. I mean, I described the most important point. ये मैंने जैसे बताया ना कि ये problem ये technology company नहीं थी. ये पूरी दुनिया, I mean, it's the JP Morgan, all Goldman Sachs, all the biggest investors, सबने उसको यही बना. You start believing what you're saying. You start off trying to sell something, eventually start to believe it because everyone reinforces what you're saying. कि 50 billion की company at its height, WeWork, सब बता रहे थे इनको कि 40-48 billion की company है, आपको public ले जाएंगे. And then when they try to go public, it all unraveled. Yeah.
What was special about him? You met him?
Salesman, best. Yes, I met him. I've met a lot. First time I met him was in Delhi.
Okay.
Actually, I tell the story in the book. First time I met him was Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi, and I describe how we met him. And
बताओ कैसे मिले?
So no, he was Vigyan Bhavan. He was. I described this in my book. My exact words were कि बात कर रहा था कि अपनी his vision, real estate. He's wearing a Modi vest. kurta and a Modi vest. It's American. I don't think he'd ever been to India before. It's a very handsome man, very tall, his hair down to his shoulders, looks like a movie star, like Jesus Christ, right? Very charismatic. और कहानी बना रहा था कि मैं जो बिजनेस बना रहा हूँ WeWork, it will solve India's housing problems. तो मैंने किताब में लिखा कि मेरा बुलशिट मीटर बिल्कुल रेड लाइन हो गया.